Welcome to Static Model Mayhem. On this episode we're going to make some asteroid or lunar bases. What we need: 50mm base, 32mm base, tinfoil and superglue for our first stage. Let's grab ourselves a piece of tinfoil. Let's arrange it something like that on our base. Super glue. The aim is to give some elevation and some interest to our base before we apply the next materials. Right. That's one. Oh, some reason it doesn't want to stick. And in that case, here's what we're going to do. We are going to clamp it like so. Put that on the side. Another piece of tin foil. Just mush it down. For this piece, what I want to achieve is some form of rock outcrop. Somewhere, something like that. Don't worry. Technical difficulties. We'll continue where we left off. That's our 50mm base. This one seems to be fine. Since our super glue has set, we're going to use AK Interactive's volcanic earth paste with a spatula. The thing with this material is that you have to be somewhat generous and get an even coverage and it also tries absolutely matte. That's one. Let's get ourselves some more. Make this one a bit steeper. It's a 50mm base, so it needs a bit more material. And this particular paste is amazing because we're getting the natural shadows, as you will see when we'll start painting. But for now, let's focus on covering everything with the AK Interactive's paste. I'd suggest about 2 to 3mm coverage because this material shrinks when it dries. So, yeah, I think we should be good. That's the first part. See you on the next one. Take care.